Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Evernote AI / premium preview features and inside the iOS app. If you want smarter note taking, Evernote's new AI tools are built right into the app. First, make sure you have updated to the latest version of Evernote from the App Store. Open the app and log in. If you are on premium or professional plan, you'll automatically get access to the AI preview features. Here's how to use them. Open a note, then tap the three dots in the menu in the top right. Choose AI notes to clean up to automatically format and tidy up your note. Remember, this only works if you're on premium or professional plan. Next, what you're gonna do is highlight text and tap AI sparkle icon to summarize, rephrase, or create an action item. If the note editor you can also type prompts like /summarize or /make checklist to trigger AI commands. To manage premium features, go to settings and then go to account information. And once you're on account information, check AI preview is enabled. If you're on the free plan, you'll only see limited AI features and prompt to upgrade. Safety tip: avoid pasting sensitive data like password or financial info. AI notes are processed through Evernote servers. Quick fix: if AI tools do not appear, update the app, log out and back in, or refresh your subscription in settings and restore purchases. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick